Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most popular herbal teas in the world. Chamomile tea. Warm, gentle, relaxing. For centuries, people have enjoyed chamomile tea as part of their daily routine. Many people drink it in the evening. Others enjoy it during quiet moments throughout the day. But chamomile tea offers more than a pleasant taste. Let's begin with relaxation. Chamomile tea is widely known for its calming properties. Many people enjoy a warm cup when they want to relax after a busy day. Another important benefit is sleep. Chamomile tea is one of the most popular bedtime drinks. Many people include it in their evening routine because it may help support restful sleep. Then comes stress management. Modern life can be busy. Taking time to sit quietly with a warm herbal tea may help create a sense of calm. Another important area is digestion. Chamomile tea has traditionally been used as a soothing drink after meals. Many people find it comforting for the digestive system. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Chamomile contains natural plant compounds. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports long-term wellness. Another important benefit is hydration. Like other herbal teas, chamomile tea contributes to daily fluid intake. Staying hydrated is important for overall health. Then comes skin wellness. The antioxidants found in chamomile may support healthy-looking skin as part of a balanced lifestyle. Another advantage is that chamomile tea is naturally caffeine-free. This makes it a popular alternative to coffee or black tea, especially in the evening. Now let's discuss daily wellness. Simple healthy habits often have a powerful impact over time. A warm cup of herbal tea can become part of a relaxing routine. But here is the truth. Chamomile tea is not a miracle cure. Healthy living still requires balanced nutrition, regular movement, quality sleep, and stress management. Balance always matters. Now here is the key message. Chamomile tea is a gentle, comforting drink enjoyed around the world. It may support relaxation, sleep, digestion, and overall wellness. Small, healthy habits repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,